Hi students, this is Mrs. Maney. Today I'm going to teach you a little bit about how to use Google Slides on the iPad. The first step that you're going to do is to find your student work in the Google Classroom. You'll click on the orange box to open the Google Slideshow that I've already created and posted for you in Google Classroom. Now at this point you cannot type on the slide, so you have to click the white box with the arrow poking out in the upper right hand corner. This is going to kick that out into Google Slides, the app. The next step is to begin building your slides. This is called a deck. Obviously you're going to want a title slide first. So for my example, I'll say I'm making a presentation on predicting. At this point, all your fonts and colors are set to default, so you can use the three little buttons up in the corner, and you can actually choose what kind of a theme you want. The theme is just a color scheme, if you will. Notice it changes the font style and the colors. The next step would be to add some slides by clicking the box with the plus sign. Now, depending on what kind of slide you want to add, you could touch your formatting and continue to build your deck. If you put a definition, for example, into a slide, you need to look at the size of the font. Now, and you need to consider your audience. Are people going to be able to read the font off of your screen? You're going to notice that different layouts have default settings for different size fonts. So look at the difference between my purple slide here that says definition and the next one. The word definition, you can barely even read it. So you need to be considerate of your audience and change the font size so that people can read it. In order to change the font size, select the words that you want to change and click the A button, and then go ahead and use your size button up and down to get the font reasonably sized. Now, you could also center the font using the paragraph button. You could also change the text color if you decided that a different color would be better suited for your purpose. Think about using different colors to draw attention to what you want to say. If there's something in the definition that is critically important that you want everyone to pay attention to and notice, maybe change that word to a different color and leave the rest in a default color. When you get ready to add a picture, you are going to do what we've done before and put the picture in the camera roll, and then click the plus sign and say that you want to insert an image from photos. Now, the definition of predicting is not soccer, but I don't know, I guess you predict in soccer. So if you find a picture that represents the idea that you have, that's how you insert it, using the plus sign. Then you can use your finger and resize it, twist it, do whatever you would like to do to make it look as you'd like it to look. If you watch a YouTube video on your topic and you would like to screenshot some ideas out of the YouTube video, you can screenshot and you can put those screenshots into your video similar to any picture that you would save off Google Images. So to screenshot, you click the home button and the lock screen button at the same time, and you'll see the screen flash like a picture. That means you have a screenshot in your camera roll. See? Okay, so just to recap in summary, go to Google Classroom, click on the orange button. In order to open the presentation in Google Slides, make sure you click that little white button with the arrow poking out so the presentation will open in Slides. Begin building your deck, select a theme. Change your font colors and sizes to be appropriate so people can see the words on the screen. Insert images or screenshots as necessary in order to explain and augment your presentation. Thank you for watching this, and I hope that you find success with using Google Slides.